Hello all, hope you are all good and at home. Thanks for joining the workshop. So let's begin with tuples. In this video, we will cover what are tuples, sort function, DSU, tuple assigning, and items method. Comparing both of them are true. Why? The answer is because Python doesn't check other items if the first item satisfies the argument. What are tuples? Tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Tuples contains comma and round brackets.
The sort function basically does the same thing, the only difference being that it sorts when there is a tie in the form that the second value receives precedence and so on. Leads us nicely onto the DSU. DSU is comprised of three parts: decorate, sort, and undecorate. What decorate does is that it creates a sequence of lists of tuples with one or more keys that are sorted by the sort function, which are preceded by the elements from the sequence. The sort function, as we told earlier, just sorts or lists the tuples or the keys of the tuples in Python, and the undecorated function lastly just extracts the sorted keys from our function. Tuples can also be assigned, but we have to make sure that we have the same number of elements as the number of tuples on the variable side. This is very important, or else we'll get an important error that needs correction.
Item method just converts the dictionary into a tuple. Each tuple is a key value pair. We can also sort the tuple as shown in the last slide. For example, you take a dictionary and write, for example, I take dicti, that is dicty, as my variable, t value 1, e value 2. So dicti dot items will convert the dictionary into t comma 1 brackets and comma e comma 1 inside the brackets. This dictionary would be converted into a tuple. So you can find it out by also using type. Let's move on to the most common words. Let's move on to the next thing, that is the most common words in this. I know this may seem to you as much more bigger program, so but we are having a level up from now, so this might go up and more writing of code. So let's begin. This is a very easy to understand code. F hand is just a variable that opens down.txt, counts is equals to dictionary, that makes a empty dictionary. And this is a for loop, and it means that capital letters would be converted into lower letters also, lower letters only, sorry. And then just split it into list. And here again comes the for loop inside a for loop. So inside that for word for loop, there is a if and else statement. If that word is just a um, word inside the list of words. So words is a list of word, and word is a word inside the words. This might seem too confusing because of the variable name, but it is very easy to understand. So here it is, if word not in counts. Counts is just a dictionary that we have added. So counts word is equals to 1. So this is what we are adding. So counts word is equals to 1. Counts word, that is the dictionary, counts is the dictionary, word will be inside that dictionary, and its value will be 1. Counts word plus is equals to 1. If that word is already inside that, then you might add a 1 to that. So again we make a list. We made a list here, then we again make a list, empty list here. Then we have a for loop again with a tuple inside this. This is a tuple, and this tuple is a variable in list counts dot item. I explained you items. If you want to know more about items, you can just rewind this. video. So key value, I have just appended this key and value, and I have used the sort method inside the list, and this is reverse is equals to true. For key value in lst 40 and 80, this is the slicing I have done and printed this. That's only. See, I have written this code, uh, I have not written this code in front of you because this is a very big code, and it might take 10 minutes for me to cover this up. So if you want again for to me to explain you this, you might mention this in the comment box, or you can also mention it inside the inside our email, that is starspython@gmail.com. So let's see the demonstration. Here is the demonstration, and I can see text plain that comes 81 times. Text planes that come 81 times. So this is the most common word inside that. So here ends the video. Thank you for watching, and please register to the workshop that we are having on 24th May, and its registration closes on 23rd May. So please register to through in that, and we are going to give you an e-certificate, and you shall also see all the previous video, because we are just going to have a summary and a Google form. So for now it's done. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.